Hello, this video is about the treatment of kidney failure. In other video we've talked about dialysis, so we're not going to dwell on this side of it. This is going to be about kidney transplants. So your kidney's role is to filter your blood, remove toxins like urea, and maintain your level of electrolytes like sodium, glucose, so forth. Now if your kidneys fail, you need treatment, of course, fairly urgently because of the important role they have. And dialysis is a short-term solution, certainly, but long-term, transplant is better because it means you don't have to keep going back to hospital every week to have your blood filtered. But it's not easy, of course. First of all, it's a major operation, so that carries a huge risk for anyone, but particularly people who are frail, elderly, unfit, and so forth. So that's first part of it. Secondly, as it says here, there's a rejection risk. What that means is the donor kidney, the one that's being given to you, if it doesn't match in terms of tissue type and blood type to your own system, your immune system will reject it. So even if you do get a match, which of course is essential, you as the recipient will need to be treated with immunosuppressant drugs, and those of course will reduce your immune system for risk of other diseases. So this carries big risks as an operation, but of course long term, all being well, it's worth it because it means you're free from the kind of commitment to dialysis and you can go on and have a happy and healthy life thereafter. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.